Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Hi y'all, this is Kim and your girl is back again. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, shout out to you. Thank you for always coming back. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave your girl some comments at the bottom. Then I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, you're watching. Shout out to you. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Today is Wednesday. Y'all already know what Wednesday means. Wednesday means Aldi might have some candles. And yes, this week they do. For the past 2 weeks, I've been skipping on Aldi. Am I recording? Yes, for the last 2 weeks, I've been skipping on Aldi because they have not been having anything good, anything that I wanted. So I just been completely skipping. But this week, they got their 4th of July candles out. So I'm going to grab one of each. I might grab two of the, I think it's sweet watermelon or something like that. I think I'm going to grab two of those. And then just the other ones, just one. So let's head on over here to Aldi. Because, of course, you know Aldi candles sell out. And right now, it's 10 o'clock. So I got to get going so I don't miss the candles. Y'all know how it is. If you sleep, you sleep. If you sleep, you might miss out. These candles only last maybe 1 or 2 days. So if you are interested in these Aldi candles, make sure you get to the store on your release day, your ad day. If your ad starts on a Sunday, you need to be going on a Sunday, maybe Monday, depending on your area. But for as me in my area, our ad release on Wednesday, and I always try to go on Wednesday because I do not want to miss out. So let's head over there. Let's see what they got. Let's get it. Y'all, I'm back in the car finally. Oh my gosh, all the checkout lines be crazy. Jeez, especially on the first day of the ad. Oh, ooh, too much. I got 6 candles. Okay, yeah, I had to make sure my receipt was correct, but as y'all see, they have the red, white, and blueberry candle. Red, white, and blueberry. I might need to move. I don't know how this is going to do because the sun is like, so I don't know. But red, white, and blueberry candle. Let's see what it smells like. blue wax. Of course, y'all know these are 3-wick candles. No scent notes on the bottom, just the warning label. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like blueberry, but I'm getting like almost like a blueberry pie. I wonder if this is supposed to be, or maybe it's my perfume blending. I don't know. No, I guess it's supposed to be like a blueberry bomb pop, as you see the little pictures on the side of a bomb pop or freeze pop or whatever you call it in your area. But yeah, so maybe it's supposed to be like that type of scent. Most definitely get blueberry. I got one of those. Okay, the next one is Seaside Boardwalk. Seaside Boardwalk. I'm assuming it's gonna have like an ocean-like scent, you know, just like all of the seaside candles normally have. White wax, again, 3-wick candles, no scent notes at the bottom, so it's just a guessing game. These candles is coming off a little weak to me. I can't even smell nothing with this one. I can't tell you, but I'm assuming it's going to be like an ocean type of candle, because as you see the scenery on it, but it's coming off light. Sparkler Cupcake, of course, is going to have like that cupcake note. If y'all could see that, I'm gonna move close so y'all could see. White wax again. Yes, a cake note. Smells like cake, but like, again, it's coming off light. And then I bought one of that one. And then I doubled up on the sweet watermelon candle. Yes, I doubled up on the sweet watermelon candle. Pink wax. We're gonna see y'all what this smells like. Now, this one is strong. This one smells just like the Walmart watermelon candle. If you know what that Walmart watermelon candle smells like, that's what this one smells, just like that one. I think it's called Juicy Watermelon, I believe. This one smells exactly like that one. Or, I ain't gonna say exactly. It smells similar to that one, to the Walmart Juicy Watermelon candle. So, I did do 2 of these. And then the last one I got is the designer. I think these are called the designer. I know when they came out before, they were called designer. But this one is, what is this one? This one is Exotic Orchid and Sandalwood. Exotic Orchid and Sandalwood. Pink packaging. This is a 1-wick candle. But it smells so good. And of course, y'all know I will be putting this on the light warmer or the lamp warmer. I will not be burning this because 1-wick candles don't burn right. So I will be putting this under the lamp. These were $7.99. That's the reason why I didn't get all of them. They came out with that Paradise Cliff, which smells really, really good. If you don't have Paradise Cliff in your collection, I highly recommend it, even though it's a 1-wick, but that one smells amazing. It smells just like Volcano from Capri Blue Volcano candle. That's what that one smells like, that Paradise Cliff. So if you haven't got that one, I know it done came out like 3 times at Aldi. That candle is amazing. If you like that citrus, if you like sun washed citrus from Bath and Body Works, or midnight citrus, it kind of smells like that. Or if you like the Capri Blue Volcano, all of those are kind of sort of in the same family. They all kind of smell alike. So I didn't get that one because it's $7.99, and I ain't trying to spend $7.99 on this. Let me move, y'all. So yeah, if you like those type of candles, that one will be really, really good. That candle is amazing, I must say. But I already have it, and I think I got maybe two or three of those candles. That's the reason why I decided to pass, because they always come back out with it. These were the only ones I got, and I think I spent like $30 on these. So yes, this week at Aldi is a pretty decent week. I think my pick for the week has to go to this one. This is my pick of the week, this sweet watermelon candle. To me, this is a must-have. If you love the Walmart juicy watermelon candle, this is similar to that. Yes, this is similar to that one. That one might be a little bit juicier or a little bit sweeter, but almost the same notes probably. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Let me know in the comments, are you shopping at Aldi's this week? Are you gonna get some of these candles this week, or is this gonna be your past week? Leave that at the bottom. Also, let me know which is your pick for the week. Which candle do you think that everybody should be running for? Leave that at the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.